This is a Year 1-2 mixed class. I've been in this class since September, and I had some of the class last year as well, so I'm very familiar with the children. It's a maths lesson using cups. The lesson delivered is actually about multiplication and addition, and it's a new scheme that we're following. It's set up by a gentleman called Richard Dunn, and it's called Making Maths Make Sense. And it's very practical, very VAK, and the children really enjoy it. They did it in reception, they do it in nursery. It starts very basic from counting straight through to addition, takeaway, moving on to multiplication, and then next will be division. Okay, switching on your numeracy brains. Fantastic. We're going to warm up today with our number bonds to 10. Brilliant. Lovely, Toria. These are the number bonds to 10. Good. What number are we making? 10. Good. Ready? 0 at 10, 1 at 9, 2 at 8, 3 at 7, 4 at 6, 5 at 5, 6 at 4, 7 at 3, 8 at 2, 9 at 1, 10 at 0. These are the number bonds to 10. What are we making them work? 10. Good girl. Daniel? 10. Again. These are the number bonds to 10. Brilliant. What number, Ethan? 10. What number, Siad? 10. Brilliant. Again. These are the number bonds to 10. 0 at? 10. 1 at? 9. 2 at? 8. 3 at 7, 4 at 6, 5 at 5, 6 at 4, 7 at 3, 8 at 2, 9 at 1, 10 at 0. These are the number bonds to 10. 3 at? 6 at? 8 at? Good. 2 at? 8. 1. 6. 4. These are the number bonds to 10. 5 at? 5. 6. 4. 8. 2. These are the number bonds to 10. 2 at? 8. 9. 7. 3. These are the number bonds to 10. 2 at? 0. 10. 6. 4. These are the number bonds to 10. Good. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. That was absolutely fantastic. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Excellent. Okay, now our numeracy brains are all warmed up. We're going to practice counting, first in 2s, then in 5s, and then in 10s, because this will help us in today's learning. So we have 2 shoulders, and we have 2 knees. So we're going to start our counting in 2s, going from 0 up to 20. Are you ready? What's the first number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. What do we notice about all of those numbers when we're counting in 2s like that? What do you notice about the numbers, Cerise?
That they're even.
That they're all even. Fantastic. Okay, now we are counting in 5s, okay? We're going to go up to 30, okay? Are you ready? Loving Ethan, loving Firkin. Louise, flashing me 5 fingers. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Fantastic. Okay, now we're counting in 10s. Flashing me 10 fingers. Going down the side of the number square all the way to the bottom to 100. Are you ready? 10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90,
100. Absolutely fantastic. Stand up. Let's have a quick brain break. Are you ready for a brain break? Okay, 4 beats behind. Don't do the first 4. Good. 3, 2, 1. Line awards. Going to line number 3. Absolutely stunning. And very quick and sensible. Okay, I'm going to put 2 things on the board. When you see them, I want you to start thinking, what do you already know? In a minute, I'm going to ask you to chatterbox. What do you know about this sign? And what do you know about this sign? What are they called? What do they mean? And what happens to the number? Off you go.
Add and times.
Add and times?
I know.
Okay.
Add and exchanging.
Is it exchanging?
Add and times.
What does times mean?
I know. Exchanging it, kind of.
It's not exchanging it. We're getting the same thing
But
lots of times. Fantastic. Adding means getting some more. So what's happening to the number if we're adding? It's going to get bigger.
One person's supposed to be forming up.
Yeah. But you've got to be sitting and listening about what we're learning. What do you know about multiplying? What happens to the number?
You have to do it some. Lots of number is getting lots more because we're getting lots of time.
Good girl. We're getting lots more. We're getting lots of times. Fantastic. Another 2, another 2, another 2. Lots of times. Fantastic. I'm loving Cerise. Line awards going to line 6. You're a little bit stunning. Well done. Okay, what do we know then about these 2 signs? Who can tell me about this one? Ty?
If you said 2 times 4, you'll have to get 2 taps 4 times, not get 4 cups.
Brilliant. So we're doing it lots of times. Brilliant. So what's happening to the number then when we multiply? Hamza?
It gets bigger.
The number gets bigger. It's a greater number. What do we know about this sign then? What's it called, Kevin?
Add.
Adding. What happens to the number when we add, Lieben?
It's getting greater.
It's getting greater. Why? What's happening? What's happening? Every time we add, what are we doing, Jamel?
What we're doing, we're getting more cups. How much you have to add?
Brilliant. We're getting more cups. So the number is getting bigger. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do that. Do this. Okay, so looking back at our big picture for numeracy, where do you think our learning arrows should go today? Should it be number? Should it be money? Should it be measuring or calculation? Somebody who's not calling out. Daniel.
Calculation.
Calculations. What kind of calculations are we going to be learning about today? Adding.
Exchanging.
Not exchanging. What are we calling this one? Say it.
Multiplying.
Multiplying. We are multiplying. Absolutely. Fantastic. We need to think about numbers. Well done. So I'm going to put one learning arrow on adding, because some of us are going to be adding. And I'm going to put one learning arrow on multiplying, because some of us are going to also be doing multiplying. Well done. Okay, stand up. Let's have a quick rainbow. Right, Siad, can you go and stand next to Miss Westwood, please? Thank you. Ali, are you ready? Okay, we're going to do follow 4. Good. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so for today's learning, we are learning about adding and multiplying. What do you need to do today to be
Successful!
The first thing I will be asking you to do is to look at, what is this, RJ Paul?
Math story.
The math story. So I'll be asking you to look at the math story. Then I will be choosing the people who have sat and listened beautifully to do what, Furkan?
To act the real story.
To act the real story. If you see this sign, what will I be asking you to do, Louise?
Do it lots. If when you
This
see
one.
you're doing when you add, you're getting ready to get some more.
Good girl. When you see add, you'll be getting ready to get some more. What about when you see this sign? What will you be doing? Ryan?
You're gonna get the same things again. Same things again.
Good boy, doing the same thing lots of times. And then, at the end of the lesson, I will be asking you to... Fantastic. Well done. I will be giving the key teaching point in just a second, but when everyone's eyes are on me, I need to send some groups out. Could Miss Westwood's group stand? You will be doing addition today.
Addition.